All right, today we're going to unbox this thing, put it together, and show you how it all works. So let's get that out of there. All right, now that's ready to go. All right, let's set that down. Oh, look, we got to get this off of here too. Got a manual. Let's put that down there. I do believe this is for the base. I think it's going to go like this. It follows me. Here's your little groove thing here. So I'm going to just match it up. So this is going to go right in there. We got to finger tighten it. And then for the last couple tightens, I'll do this. Now, apparently, if you look, you've got a little, this is high, but this is ridged here. So this should be higher than whatever this screw head is. All right, I think we're good. Now we can go ahead and set her down. All right, let's take a look and see what we got. So the remote's gonna go in here. I don't think you wanna put it in this way. I mean, you could, but I think that's the way you wanna put it. And then you just put it down at towards the bottom of the base. And then I could just go ahead, slide my remote. All right, so if I want to raise the fan up from the bottom here, I twist this, and then I've got to kind of lift it. You know what I mean? I mean, this thing's heavy. I'm going to put my foot on it like this. That way I can get it to come up. There we go. Now I've got it to the highest level. I'm going to just put it there, and I'm going to tighten it down. All right, so there we are. I just wanted to show you this also. Here's a remote control. You follow me? It sits in there. It can spin around, you know. You're going to notice that the remote control has the exact same controls as the manual. So that's for Wi-Fi. That is for your on button. That is your fan. I believe these are different modes, and I think it has 9 different things. You can set a timer. That's oscillation. Up and down, that's sideways, horizontal and vertical oscillation. Now, if you move this up, it gets tighter because this is getting thicker. It's handy dandy. Look at that. Nice and easy. Peasy. Bob's your uncle. There's your port that you need for your plug. Here's your plug, you can see. And all it does is go in there like that. Now I gotta plug this into a wall socket. So anyway, I've got her over here, right? And here's our plug. And that goes in pretty easy. All right, so now we're ready to go. So first we'll try the manual controls. We're already getting a signal here. Let's go ahead and turn it on. All right, it's on to 7. Whew, that's good. It's working great. Check out my hair. That's at 7 level. You know what I mean, jelly beans? Okay, so it says 7, and I think it has 9 settings. So let's try this and see if it goes higher. 8, pull back. 9. Now if I do it again, it goes lower, I think. 1. So now that's the lowest. So I'm gonna go ahead and go, we're gonna go up. You ready? There's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's the 9. And it's blowing pretty good. Let me show you. I'm standing over it. Now I'm going to dip down into it. You can see it hitting my clothes. There goes the hair. Yeah, it's definitely working. See that? Pretty good, I gotta say. Let's check out the swivel. The swivel here, and then there we go. So now it's going up and down. Wow, nice. Feel it on my legs. Now it's coming up. That is a really good feature, I gotta say. Look at that. Gets up pretty high too. It's going way up here. Here it is. There. Definitely a powerful fan. I mean, you can really feel it. Let's give it a, let's see if it does this other swivel horizontal. Right, so now I pressed horizontal. It's still just pivoting up and down. It should go like this now. Let me try again. Here we go. Oh yeah, it's doing it, look. Now it's doing multi-pivot. Check it out. Wow, that's pretty good. So it basically does the whole room and the ceiling, everything. It's blowing air everywhere. Here it comes around. So it makes a pretty good pivot. All right. So let's grab the remote. Now let's see what the remote does. Let's say we want to go down. Or let's change it. Let's hit this, see what happens. Look at that. If I hit this, it should stop. And it slowly stops. There you go. So to start it, I hit this again. So you can be across the room and control it, which is cool. All right, I think this is a pretty good little fan, to tell you the truth. I mean, it works really well, and it blows heavy amounts of air. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I blow my hair everywhere with a fan. Peace out.